Hello students, now we are going to start the first unit, electrostatic. As you know that it is a combination of two words, electro and static. Electro means charge, static means at rest. Few things you already know about charge. First, what is charge? Charge is a fundamental property of body due to which it can attract or repel other charge bodies. Now what is SI unit? SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is a scalar quantity. And there are two types of charges, positive charge, negative charge. Positive charge, similar charges repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. Now question is that, how do object acquire charge? As we know that normally, matter consists of equal amount of positive and negative charge. That means number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Protons are tightly bounded in nucleus, they cannot move here and there. But electrons, which are revolving around the nucleus, can be removed out from atom. That is, transfer of electrons from a body or to a body give rise to net charge. An object could be positively charged or negatively charged. Means an object gains electron to become negative charge, an object loses electron to become positive charge. Now we are going to discuss few methods of charging. First method is charging by rubbing. In this method, two objects rubbed, and due to rubbing, transfer of electron happen. One object lose electron, another object gain electron, and they get charged. For example, when a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth loses some electron, glass rod loses some electron, and it becomes positively charged, and silk cloth become negative. That is the example of charging by rubbing or friction electricity. Now, process of charging happens only for few specific pair of materials. Do you know why? Because in this process, very limited number of electron transfer happens. Because only those electrons get transferred which are less tightly bounded with the nucleus. That's why for charging by rubbing, we need a supporting type of electron configuration, and materials, those have that type of supporting electronic configuration can be charged by the rubbing. One more thing is, when an insulator charged by rubbing, only the area which rubbed gets charged, and there is no tendency of charge to move in other region of insulator. And in this method, both the materials will get equal and opposite charge.